customers will use their car as a daily driver, and some will use it just as a special occasion. Some will use it on the road. Some will use it on track. So designing a user experience around that can be quite challenging. We hear a lot of talk about making the driver the center of a user experience. Our take on it is slightly different. We think that it's all about the driving experience, and by putting additional controls and features in front of the user, it creates a barrier between the driver and the road ahead. So instead, we cherry pick what features we think need to go into the interface in front of the driver. As a result, we end up having only the most important controls in front of a driver. It allows them to operate those with minimum distraction, without taking their hands off the wheel, and for maximum enjoyment. An example of that is the binnacle control switches that we've added, which allow you to control the handling and the powertrain mode literally at your fingertips. Whilst you've got your hands on the wheel, you can reach out and toggle through the different modes available. From a handling perspective, we've got our familiar settings of comfort, sport and track. They're located on the left. On the right-hand side, we've got the powertrain binnacle switch, which has the comfort, sport and track modes, but we've also added electric mode. And that is a bit of a game changer for us, because it allows the user to drive electrically, have all the benefits of that in terms of noise and emissions, and then when they're ready to, at the flick of a switch, change into a more engaging hybrid mode, such as comfort or sport or track. Our goal in all of this is to make the complex simple and help the user focus on the driving experience above all else, and letting them do the primary driving task without distraction, without their hands off the wheel. We believe we've met the challenge of this complex audience and the way that they use their car to deliver them the ultimate user experience.